Meal prep and planning is essential to wellness success. Here's how I make it happen. Over the weekend, I went to the farmer's market. I got some squash. Look at that big piece of celery. I got some spaghetti squash, turnips. I can't wait to show you what I'm making with my turnips. Zucchini as well. I got some ginger root because you know I love my ginger root tea, some portobello mushrooms, love using those in place of bread, 6 pounds of Brussels sprouts because if you know me, you know I love my Brussels sprouts. I also grabbed a clove of garlic, some honey as well, and a few seasonings. Again, I have a good time when I go to the farmer's market, but also some green onions, sweet potatoes. Look at the size of those sweet potatoes. Y'all, I get my money's worth when I go to my farmer's market. I got some shrimp. Now it was $60 worth, but let me tell you, we'll talk about portion later. I also got some scallops. Never cooked scallops before, but I do like to eat them. And then I threw this in here just because this is essential. I didn't get it from the farmer's market, but listen, you want to stay on track. You want to get on track. You have to meal prep and plan. Do it over the weekend on your days off. I'm going to show you how to get the most for your money.